I just wanted to make a little post about car performance. I just bought gas and it was like $5 a gallon. And everybody's like, the world is ending. I just want to remind everyone that there is a way to get 50% more miles per gallon than you normally get. It is called hypermiling. If you've never heard of this before, I'm going to explain how it works. The reason that nobody does this, and if you're one of the people who have heard of this before and you just like tried it one time and you said, no way, I'm not doing that. It's because it takes a lot of balls to really do this. You got to commit. And you will be pissing people off. So what you do, you put your foot at one particular place and you don't move it. That means when you go down hills, it's like a roller coaster and your car goes faster. But then when you start going up hills, your car will slow down a lot. You also have to start really slowly, which is going to piss people off on top of it. And to save your brakes while you're at it, while you're at being nice to your car, you stop really slowly too. You stop. If you see a stop light way up there, you start just slowing down by just really easing on the brakes. It saves your brakes for the long haul as well. I'm in the Appalachian Mountains right now. I'm starting to go up a hill. I'm going 51 miles an hour. I'm going to keep my foot right here. I'm now dropped under 50, just at the beginning of the hill. Thank goodness there's 2 lanes. There is a passing lane right now. I'm going 45. I will keep on slowing down as we go up this hill because I am not moving my foot. Number one, it's going to piss people who drive with their feet off. Number two, one thing that I'm always pissed off about when I do use cruise control is that no one else uses cruise control. Everybody thinks their feet is much better at driving a car than a computer is, which I think is ridiculous. But if you really want to get best mileage per gallon, by the way, I'm going 26 miles an hour right now. Foot's in the same place. No one is behind me. So normally, I'm getting 19.4 miles per gallon out of this Honda Pilot from 2016. Right now, I've been clocking for the last 35 miles doing hypermiling by myself in the car because I don't want to piss my passengers off either and have them go, what are you doing? There's like pressure coming from outside the car and there's pressure coming inside. By the way, we're going down a hill and back up to 55. I'm going to exceed 60 in just a second here and then we're going to flatten out and I'll start going to normal speed. But I'm getting 30.9 miles per gallon. That is much more than a 50% increase in the mileage per gallon I'm getting out of this. So if your gas is costing $5 and you want to get better performance out of your car, yes, you can do it. Is it going to make everyone else around you upset? Yes. But what's your priority? Because if it's not actually worth doing that, then maybe you don't care that much and you're just saying you care about the price of gas. Now I'm back in town, we got stop signs, I've got traffic to deal with. I'm gonna stop hypermiling for a second while I take this turn. But I hope that this has been interesting. It's interesting for me, it's very scary to do this, which is why mostly I do it by myself. But I'm gonna try and pressure Grace to see if we could drive this way, just while gas is $5 a gallon. Comment if you have things to add, like and subscribe, tune in next time.